Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm going to show you knitting a ribbed neckline. Now there are two ways, maybe at least, that you would want to knit a ribbed neckline. I'm going to take a sweater that I already have and show you how you could do that. You could add a neckline. You might want it for more warmth. So I'm going to pick up some stitches that are on the top of this sweater at the neckline that was already finished, and I'm just going to pick them up. It's very easy because you can see something that you can grab onto, and truth is it'll look a little bit like that, which doesn't look like the way you cast on, but it's totally fine. So I could do the whole thing, but I'm just going to show you in a little piece here. I'll get some yarn that's of a different color, but I think it goes nicely. And I'm going to just knit those stitches, have that start my neckline. And I'm going to just do a row of knitting first, and then I'll rib. It's very tight sometimes, so you just want to have a nice base for the ribbing, so I'm just getting this harsh stuff over with. I find it easier to use this method of wrapping rather than the continental stitch for this kind of thing. Okay, so now I want to do the ribbing. And I'll knit 2. I could knit 1, purl 1, I could knit 3, purl 3, but I'm going to knit 2, purl 2. You can also make ribbing with little tiny cables. You see it's going much easier at this point than that first awkward attempt of picking them up. So there's not a lot to see, but you see that it looks like it actually grows right out of the sweater, which it does. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was knitting a ribbed neckline.